Right, quick van tour and setup of this one. This is our setup. Just been cleaning solar panels. Another fridge in there. Washing day. Round to here. There we go. Just going to sort this out now. As you can see, it's a mess. There we go. Start having a bit of a sort out in here. Hanging everywhere. Lots of stuff. I'm going to mop this out shortly, but for now, I'm back. There we go. We're getting there. Slowly. Drinks that side. Speaker there. Just put that there for now in case we want it in a bit. So look. Just been doing washing. Nearly done. I'll get some water in a minute. I've just took you in now. We're going to see what power's on because I'm not sure. There we go, 100. So I'm going to put something else on charge now because we're totally off grid for 2 weeks. Bed's made, tidying, not tidying. Right, we'll have to get some water now in this. Take you over to here. Join me when we get there. Hello. Right. Hello. Right. Filling water tank now. Because we haven't done it since we got here. That into there. And there you go. Set you in for a close look. So what we're doing is pumping water into there and we're filling that tank there. Hopefully no leaks, can't see any yet. Not normally is. Bring you back out. So we're filling with about 25 litres ish, which should keep us going now. I've not put any in since I've been here, but I don't drink it anyway. It's only for pots, showers, that sort of thing. Right. Since that's all back together, we're now going to charge this. No, I think we're leaving it. Comes down in here. Charge. 3 wants. See if Doug wants an ice pop. Right, scooter's on charge now. Coming back round here. More visitors. There we go. That's set up over there. Behind me.